This guy was slowing down at a red light when a careless driver slammed into the back of his car.
Oh, hell no.
Instead of stopping to take responsibility, the Volvo driver sped off without hesitation, running the red light. But his reckless decision is about to backfire spectacularly. The cam driver, stunned by what just happened, immediately chased the road rager and tried to stop and confront him.
Pull your ass over right now! Dude, you need to pull over right now. I'm calling the cops. I have your plate. You just hit my car. Pull over right here.
Desperate to get away, he made a wild and dangerous maneuver, trying to turn that sent him crashing straight into a power box. The impact not only damaged his car, but also caused a power outage in the area.
All you had to do was just pull over. If you hit somebody's car, you pull over.
Only seconds later, the police arrived, delivering him his well-deserved justice. This teenager wasn't paying attention on the road. He cut off the filming driver and got furious out of nowhere. You won't believe the wild karma he brought on himself. The boy stepped out of his car and stormed over to the driver's window just to throw out insults. When he finally started heading back to his car and things looked like they were cooling down, he got out yet again. That's when the driver took action.
This guy was about to turn left when he spotted a car making a turn at a super weird spot right in front of the intersection. Thinking that was it, the cam driver made his turn only to get stuck behind the same car because it randomly stopped right in the middle of the road. The driver in the opposite lane rolled down his window to confront the guy in the white car, who then got out like he was about to prove something.
You're stopping in the middle of the road! Right! Then talking it over with! Are you f***ing serious?
After a few minutes of standing there like a fool, the guy suddenly turned around and started yelling at the filming driver before completely losing it.
Oh yeah, alright.
He started screaming like a little kid throwing a tantrum before finally getting back in his car and driving off.